We need to talk about the upgrade. For the last 2 years, we've been treating AI like a consultant. You ask it a question, it gives you advice, it can write a workout plan, but it can't go to the gym for you. It has a brain, but no body. But that's changing fast. We're entering the era of agents. If RAG was about giving the AI a library card, agents are getting a credit card and access to your terminal. But what actually is an agent? The best way to think about it is the difference between a consultant and a remote intern. If you tell a normal LLM, book me a flight to San Francisco to New York, it just says, here's a list of flights you can take. Helpful, but you still have to do the work like searching the right one, looking at the right prices, and all of that. But if you tell an agent the same thing, it says on it, it goes to Skyscanner, it finds a flight, it uses your API keys, sends you the confirmation. You don't do anything. You just state the goal and the agent figures out the steps. But how does a text generator click buttons? It actually doesn't because we are not giving an LLM a mouse. We actually do what's called function calling. Think of the LLM as a brain and the Python script as the body. The brain writes a note that says, please search Google for pizza. The body reads the note, executes the search, and hands the result back to the brain. But here is the reality check. Agents are fragile. I've seen autonomous software engineers get stuck in loops trying to install a dependency, running into some kind of like mutex log, realizing they don't have pseudo access, trying and failing all over again, burning up to $50 in OpenAI credits in 10 minutes. If ChatGPT hallucinates a poem, it's funny. You're like, no, you can try it again. But if an agent hallucinates a drop table command on your production database, you get fired. Like we're giving probabilistic models access to deterministic systems. That is a dangerous bridge to cross. For now, we've spent 2023 worrying about what AI says. Now we're going to spend like the future years worrying about what it does. Because the future isn't just about smarter models, it's like about models that touch the world, what effects do they make, and how can we make them run properly. So I am Zainab, this is Neural Notes.